Assalamu alaikum. 12th standard student, today we will again solve a question paper. Okay, there is another sample paper. We will solve it again. This will be helpful for your study. Okay, we are going to start with a full 70 marks paper. The time is for 3 hours. Okay, you try to solve, to study and solve at your house. See, section A, will start with section A. Section A, you know, it includes two questions, question number 1 and question number 2. So first, today we are going to solve question number 1. Question number 1 is select and write the correct answer. See, with question I am also going to explain you how to write the paper. So you can practice at your home how to write the paper. If you know to write the paper, this will help you in your exam, and you will not get confused during exam how to write the paper, what is the way of writing the paper. Okay, and by solving this, by seeing this video, you need not to ask also to anybody to help you how to write the paper, because this will help you. I am going to show you everything how to write in your answer paper. Okay, so we'll start with question number 1. Select and write the correct answer. This question is for 10 marks. We are going to get here 10 MCQ, and every MCQ is for 1 mark. Now see, first MCQ is, which of the following types require pollination but result in genetically similar, the result is genetically similar to autogamy? See, I told you to read a question for two times so that you will understand the question. See, what is the question? Which of the following requires pollination which results in genetically similar to autogamy? Similar to autogamy is, what is similar to autogamy? Autogamy, similar to autogamy, that is self-pollination. This is self-pollination. Autogamy is self-pollination. Now what is another type of self-pollination? Another type of self-pollination is geitonogamy. This is another type of self-pollination. So our answer for this question is geitonogamy, because this gamy, xenogamy, apogamy, cleistogamy, that is not a part of self-pollination. Geitonogamy is a part of self-pollination. So our answer, see, I will show you how to write the answer. You have to write answer number. What is the number of that question? That is 1. Then the answer is A, geitonogamy. So you will write A, geitonogamy. This is the correct answer for your question number first MCQ. Now second MCQ is, test tube baby technique is called. Test tube baby technique is called. Now there are 4 options: in vivo fertilization, in situ fertilization, in vitro fertilization, and artificial insemination. Now correct answer for this question, that is test tube baby technique. This question we will get in chapter number 2, that is reproduction in lower and higher animals. See, this question is in chapter number 1, reproduction in lower and higher plants, and this is in reproduction in lower and higher animals. So the answer, correct answer is C, in vitro fertilization. So how you will write the answer? You will write answer, the number of the question is 2, and the option is C, that is, and what is the option is in vitro vitro fertilization. If you write this type in this way, then you will get, if you write in this way, then you will get 1 mark for this answer. Okay. Third is, a colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal vision. The probability of their son being colorblind is. So we will read again. A colorblind. If a man is a colorblind, he marries a woman who is homozygous. Homozygous means she is not having any, she is not a carrier, she is normal. है ना? Homozygous for normal vision means both the genes are normal. So the probability of the son being colorblind is, so what will be the probability of the son? See here, as you know, this disease is present on X chromosome. Now, if the female has both the X chromosome normal, and if a male is having X, but that X is having disease, but our question is the probability of their son. So we require here from male, we require only Y, and Y chromosome. So if this Y goes with any of the X chromosome, what will happen? The probability of the son being colorblind will be 0. Okay, 0, because both the X chromosome are normal. As both the X chromosome are normal, if they go with any of the Y chromosome, the son of that person who is colorblind will be normal. That son will be normal. Okay. So answer for this question is, answer is, number you will write, third number, A option, and 0%. This you will find in your chapter number 3, that is inheritance and variation. You will find it clearly. I have also explained in my lecture, but then also if you read the chapter, you will understand this question clearly. Okay. The next question is question number 4, that is Roman letter 4. Which one of the following pairs correctly matches a hormone? Which one of the following pairs correctly matches a hormone with a disease resulting from its deficiency? What the question is saying? Which one of the following pair correctly matches a hormone with a disease which results from its deficiency? Now there are 4 options. First is parathormone, that is diabetes insipidus. Second is luteinizing hormone, that is diabetes mellitus. Third is insulin. The name of the disease is hyperglycemia. And the last is thyroxine hormone. The name of the disease is tetany. Now this question, the answer for this question you will find in chapter number 9, that is control and coordination. This answer is present, the answer for this question is present in chapter number 9, that is control and coordination. Now out of these 4, the correct answer is C, insulin. Insulin, and the name of the disease is hyperglycemia. Okay. So how you will write the answer? You will write answer question number 4, that is C, insulin, hyperglycemia. This is the correct way of writing the answer. Fifth MCQ is abscisic acid controls dash. Abscisic acid controls. Now this comes in chapter number 7, that is plant growth and mineral nutrition. This MCQ is from chapter number 7, that is plant growth and mineral nutrition, abscisic acid controls. Now options are A, cell division, B, leaf fall and dormancy, and C is shoot elongation, and the last is cell elongation and wall formation. This we have already studied. Okay, the correct answer is B, that is leaf fall and dormancy. So you will write answer question number 5. Option is B, that is leaf fall and dormancy. This is the correct answer for MCQ 5th. Abscisic acid controls leaf fall and dormancy. Then next is 6th MCQ. Diapedesis is performed by. Diapedesis is performed by. This question you will find in chapter number 8, that is respiration and circulation. This is mainly the part of circulation. Diapedesis is performed by. The options are A, erythrocytes, B, thrombocytes, C, adipocytes, and the last is D, leukocytes. And this, the correct answer for this is D, that is leukocytes. So the correct way of writing the answer is answer question number 6, option number D, and the correct option, the answer for that option is leukocytes. Diapedesis is performed by leukocytes. Then next is 7th MCQ. After landslide, which of the following type of succession occurs? After landslide, which of the following type of succession occurs? This you will find, this question, this MCQ you are going to find in chapter number 14. 14, that is ecosystem and energy flow. Chapter number 14, that is ecosystem and energy flow. See, the four options are A, primary, B, secondary, C, tertiary, and the D is climax. See, as soon as landslide takes place, which will be the succession which will be occur first? The first is primary succession. The first succession will be primary succession. So the correct answer for MCQ number 7 is A, primary. This you have to write in your answer paper. A7 is A, primary. 7th MCQ is A, primary. Okay. Next is dash is in direct contact of brains in humans. Dash is in direct contact of brains in humans. Now this you will find in chapter number 9, that is control and coordination. This, the answer for this question you will find in chapter number 9, that is control and coordination. Now you can see four options are there. A, cranium, B, dura mater, C, arachnoid matter, and the last is pia matter. The correct answer for that question, that is dash is in direct contact of brains in man, is pia matter. Because pia matter is out, it is present outer, it is the outer layer, pia matter. So answer is A, option D, pia matter. Chapter, it is, you will find in chapter number 9, that is control and coordination. Then 9th MCQ is most commonly used substrate for industrial production of beer is. Most commonly used substrate for industrial production of beer is dash. See, four options are present. A, barley, B, wheat, C, corn, and D is sugarcane molasses. This you will find in chapter number 11, that is enhancement of food production. Enhancement of food production. The correct answer for this is, see, the most commonly used substrate. The most commonly used substrate is, answer is for this question 9 is A, That is barley. The correct answer is barley. And it is present in option A. So you will write question number 9, option A, barley. Okay. Last is MCQ 10. Choose an incorrect statement. Out of these 4 statements, you have to choose an incorrect statement. And the 4 statements are: a relationship between species, richness and area for a wide variety of taxa turns out to be a rectangular hyperbola. Second is, the relation between species, richness and area on logarithmic scale. The relationship is a straight line. And the third is, C is for the species area relationship among very large areas like the entire continents. The slope of line appears to be much steeper. And the last option is, value of Z always keep on changing for every taxonomic group or the region. Now this question you will find in the last chapter. Okay, this you will find in the last chapter. What is our last chapter? Name of our last chapter? Our last chapter is chapter number 15. That is biodiversity, conservation and environmental issues. This you will find, okay, in last chapter. The correct answer for this is D. That is, value of Z always keeps on changing for every taxonomic group or the region. Okay, so you will write answer MCQ number 10, option number D. That is, value of Z always keeps on changing for every taxonomic group or the region. Okay, the correct answer is option number D. That is, value of Z always keeps on changing for every taxonomic group or the region. Okay, so today students we have started with question paper solution. We have started with section A. Today we have solved question number 1. Select and write the correct answer. In that we have solved total 10 MCQ, because 10 MCQ will be there in question number 10 for 10 marks. Okay. Next time we will go for question number 2, which will be also there in section A, and that will be very short answer. Okay. So first today you study this question very well. You want to find out the answer. I have given you the name of the chapter. You can find the answer in that chapter. So it will be more clear for you to write the answer, correct MCQ. Okay. Thank you.